Hi, I'm Ross Rothenberg of the Rothenberg Law Firm. Today, we are going to discuss winter driving tips and what you can do to potentially avoid a winter weather-related car accident. Many car accidents can be prevented, but you need to ensure that you take the proper steps to avoid a possible catastrophe. Winter conditions can seem to come on quickly and without warning. Just the other day, I was wearing shorts and it was 75 degrees. Yet this past Monday, it was below freezing. One of the main preventative measures we can take is to be prepared in terms of car maintenance. Make sure that your tires are prepped for winter roads. If you have no tread or low tread, your tires cannot properly disperse snow, ice, and slush. Vehicles that have tires with low tread can easily skid or slide on winter roads. If your tires do not have sufficient tread, you need to buy new tires. Freezing temperatures can also result in low tire pressure. Together with low tread, these conditions are ripe for a dangerous traffic collision. Remember, it is not just your safety that you need to consider, it's the safety of others as well, whether occupants of your vehicle, pedestrians, with a driver or passengers in another vehicle. Do you need to replace your tires? Tires generally are good for about 30,000 to 45,000 miles. Take a penny and put it between the treads. If you can see Lincoln's head above the tire, your tread is too low. It's a lot less expensive to replace a tire than to get into an accident and have to deal with its repercussions. Here are some tips for weatherproofing your vehicle. In addition to properly maintaining your vehicle's tires, the following steps are recommended to prevent a dangerous winter crash. Always de-ice your windshields before you drive. It is inexpensive to buy wiper fluid that has ice melting additives. Consider putting an ice and frost shield on your windshield to prevent dangerous ice buildup. Always warm up your car before driving. Ensure that the ice in your vehicle has melted before you start driving. It may take a few extra minutes to prepare for your winter ride, but believe me, these could be the most important minutes of your day. Check your antifreeze. Your vehicle may need a different type of coolant to avoid freezing. Take your car in for routine maintenance. Ask your mechanic to check antifreeze levels and type. Even with a properly weatherproofed vehicle, driving in the winter can be extremely hazardous. Sleet, snow, ice, and freezing rain are often accompanied by heavy fog. As such, even if a storm has passed through, do not assume it is safe to drive. The roads may be quite slick, and fog can prevent good visibility. Slick asphalt and black ice are extremely dangerous conditions. Okay, you've watched this far. Now I'll give you 10 safety tips for winter driving. Number 1, keep a winter safety kit in your car at all times during the cold months, which should include a snow shovel, sand or salt, an ice scraper, and jumper cables. 2, check your vehicle's battery and make sure it is fully charged, especially if it is an older battery. Remember, batteries are more likely to fail when it's cold outside. Number 3, always clear away snow and ice from your car before driving. This includes all windows, mirrors, and lights, as well as snow accumulation on the hood, trunk, or roof of your car. 4, do everything you can to improve visibility, which means driving with your headlights on even in the daytime. 5, make sure your windshield washer reservoir is full and your windshield wiper blades are in good condition. 6, reduce your speed and always increase your following distance. You want to give yourself enough time to properly stop and avoid a car crash, especially on slick roads. 7, learn how to brake properly if you hit a slippery patch of ice. To do this, you need to know if you have anti-lock brakes. This information is essential to knowing how to properly brake. Take a look at your owner's manual or talk to your mechanic about how to brake if you encounter an icy road. 8, do not use cruise control. You should be in control of your vehicle if you encounter snowy or icy conditions. 9, bridges and overpasses get icy before highways. As such, be particularly cautious when you're driving on these surfaces. 10, do not let your gas tank drop below half full. This way, if you do get caught in a storm and need to pull over, you will have a source of heat. Winter is a dangerous season for driving. Take steps to prevent car accidents. If you have to drive in the snow, freezing rain, or heavy fog, please stay safe.